Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add graphics on MetaTrader 5 demo account. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 5 app, and once you open it, and yeah, make sure you have already a demo account in here. So now right after that you will be able to see the interface or watch list of the MetaTrader 5 apps on the screen. So if you don't have any demo account, then just tap on the settings, which is at the bottom right corner of this watch list. And now you can see there is a new account, and also you can see there is a username at the top of this new account. So you can choose any of them because the process can't be same. So let me tap on the username for now, and you can see there is a plus icon at the top right corner of this accounts section. So let's tap on the plus icon, and you simply need to tap on the MetaCodes Limited, and yeah, you will be able to add your demo account by tapping on the demo account successfully. So let me get back, and let me show you the chart, which is at the right above of this journal option. So once you tap on the charts, you need to scroll a little bit down, and you can see there is a colors option. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a colors option in here, and yeah, you'll be able to add graphics from this section successfully. And if you want to change your chart, then just get back, and you can see there is a three option at the top: bar chart, candlestick, and line chart. So you can choose any of them according to your preference. So yeah, basically this is how you can add graphics on MetaTrader 5 demo account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.